Hello guys, hello students. This is senior college mathematics. Topic is fractions. Fractions, lesson 3, combined operations with fractions. In lesson 1 and 2, I talked about operations with fractions, and we say when doing that we use BODMAS when you have addition, multiplication, division and subtraction together in one problem. So in this series of combined operations, we'll deal with that extensively in simplified form. Okay, examples: simplify the following. All right, before the lesson proper, for updates, follow Voice of Petakus via YouTube at PetakusEduCom. To do that, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video. Facebook, fb.me/PetakusEduCom, Instagram at PetakusEC, Telegram t.me/PetakusEduCom. In all these platforms, you get updated from time to time what is happening in Petakus education community. Okay, example 13. So look at this fraction: 7 whole number 5/8 minus 1 whole number 1/2 divide by bracket open 4 whole number 3/4 plus 4 whole number 7/8. What you should see first is the bracket. So from BODMAS, you need to simplify the terms in the bracket before you divide. As you are doing that, you also change the mixed fractions to improper fractions. If you've listened to lesson 1, it means the first mixed fraction is 61/8. The second mixed fraction is 3/4, over 3/2. The third mixed fraction is 19/4, and the fourth mixed fraction is 39/8. This one is from here, where you have 8 times 4, 32, plus 7, 39/8. We are still working with BODMAS, so the terms in the bracket must be simplified first. Okay, the first bracket is subtraction, so you find the LCM of the denominator, 8 and 2, and that is 8. So divide 8 by 8 is 1, times 61 is 61. Divide 8 by 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. The second bracket is addition. That means you also find the LCM of the denominator 4 and 8, and the LCM is 8. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 19, you have 38. Divide 8 by 8 is 1. 1 times 39 is 39. We are still working on the bracket. 61 minus 12, you have 49/8. Divide by 38 plus 39, you have 77/8. So the bracket has been removed. Now we can now work on division, and we learned in lesson 3 that when dividing, division sign changes to multiplication, and the fraction at the right, that is 77/8, is inverted to 8/77. Then 8 will remove 8, you are left with 49/77. The HCF of these two numbers is 7. Divide 49 by 7, you have 7. Divide 77 by 7, you have 11. See that? Okay. Next example, you can see it on your screen. 1 whole number 1/2 plus 2 whole number 1/3 times 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. You have three operations here: addition, multiplication, subtraction. So the first thing to do is to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. The first mixed fraction is equivalent to 3 over 2. The second mixed fraction is 7 over 3. By BODMAS, multiplication first. So you are taking these two fractions first because of multiplication. So you have 3 over 2. 3 over 2. From that fraction, this 3 will take care of this 3. You are left with 7 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Now, the operations of addition and subtraction are be combined together. So you find the LCM of 2, 4, and 2, and that is 4. Divide 4 by 2. Divide 4 by 2, you have 2. 2 times 3, you have 6. Divide 4 by 4, by this 4 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Divide 4 by 2 is 2. 2 times 1, you have 2. So if you add 6 plus 7 is 13, minus 2 is 11 over 4. If you convert it back to mixed fraction, you have 2 whole number, 3 all over 4. 3 all over 4. Okay? Alright, another fraction is here. The numerator is 2 fractions, the denominator is 2 fractions, so the two are divided. So we need to simplify the numerator first, simplify the denominator before dividing. So you take the numerator as this. They are all mixed fractions. If you convert them to improper fractions, you have this. Now it is addition. You find the LCM of 2 and 4. The LCM is 4. You know the rule. Divide 4 by this 2 is 2. Multiply by 5, you get this 10. Divide 4 by 4 is 1 times 15, you get 15. 10 plus 15, 25 all over 4. You take the denominator as this. The two fractions are also mixed, and their equivalent improper fraction is this. It is subtraction. You find the LCM of 6 and 3, and that is 6. Divide 6 by this 6 is 1. 1 times 13 gives this 13. Okay. 6 divided by this 3 is 2. 2 times 4, you have 8. 13 minus 8 is 5 all over 4. The numerator is this. So we use division sign for division line. Divide by 4. And you know, when dividing fraction by a fraction, the division sign changes to multiplication. The fraction 5 over 6 on the right side of the division sign changes to 6 over 5. If you reduce the two fractions, you have this. When you multiply, you have 15 over 2, which is improper fraction. When converted to mixed fraction, you have several whole number, 1 all over 2. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Example 16. Check it out. 5 whole number, 1 over 4. Divide by bracket open. 1 whole number, 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. First is to change the mixed fractions to improper fractions. When you do that, you have this. By BODMAS, bracket first. So you have to resolve the fractions in the bracket first. And the fractions in the bracket is subtraction operation, where you find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. If you divide 6 by this 3, you have 2. 2 times 5 gives this 10. You divide the same 6 by these 2, you have 3. 3 times 1 is 3. When you subtract, you have 7 over 6. Then the first fraction, 21 over 4, divided by 7 over 6. Division sign changes to multiplication, and the fraction 7 over 6 is inverted to 6 over 7. And when you reduce, you have 3 over 2 times 3 over 1. And when multiplied, you have 9 over 2, and is an improper fraction. If you convert to mixed fraction, you have 4 whole number, 1 all over 2. So you don't play with BODMAS when you have combined operations. You don't play with BODMAS. It's very, very important that you stick to the order of the meaning of BODMAS. If you do that, I tell you, you can't make mistake when you are dealing with fractions. Okay? End of lesson 3. The voice of Petakus is saying thank you for taking your precious time to learn and follow this lesson to the end. He is wishing you unlimited success in all your endeavors and pursuits in life and career. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Petakus. He is here to serve you. For any question, any challenge, contact the voice of Petakus via this WhatsApp number or send him a mail through that email address. If you want the complete package of this topic, lesson 1 to 7, delivered to you for offline usage, also contact the voice of Petakus at a very little token. You get the full package. All right. If you are not saved, your life will be in crisis. To be saved, you give your life to the one that can save you, and that is the Lord Jesus Christ. If you are saved already, I tell you, big congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared. Take care of yourself, stay out of trouble, stay well, study your books, do the needful, and goodbye for now.